Hey, few months have passed since we got the news from the analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who tweeted how Apple may finally bring back the HomePod, the successor of the great and once expensive original. Just a couple of days ago, we got the new information from one of the most prominent sources in the industry, Markiranja, how we may indeed see the next iteration of Apple's smart speaker. And oh man, let's talk about it. Hi friends and welcome to this Digitalna channel. My name is Marco, this is your dose of Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and reviews. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. As Digital Markings is affiliate of MOFT, this video will be powered by them. Check out some amazing iPad, iPhone and MacBook accessories. Just click on the links in the description and a pinned comment and get a discount. Now let's go! The original HomePod was introduced back in 2017. As expected, it was an amazing speaker, but the pricey one, $349 to be exact. To make things worse, it didn't prove itself as a smart speaker, while connectivity to other devices and music services was limited. Its downfall was marked by the release of the smaller model, the HomePod Mini, for much decent $99 price tag, offering sufficient sound quality and few extra features. It seems like that Apple found a new ground. Some leaks have also pointed at the new kind of smart device that could mix iPad display and a speaker, which may still be floating in the air, but who knows. At that moment, it looked like the bigger HomePod is no more, and that all potential plans about its revival have been scrapped. Not long ago, Ming-Chi Kuo once again surprised everyone, mentioning its reappearance in as close as the fourth quarter of 2022 or the Q1 of the next year. His claims did not promise us some mind-blowing hardware changes, except for possibly bigger CD waveform at the top of the speaker. I see no reason why Apple should change things a lot in hardware spectrum, since it looked good and the sound was great. I love mine. Bringing you one chip would make sense since it's already accustomed within the HomePod Mini. Same thing as new colors, but if there is one segment which this speaker should improve, could be smart device capabilities and eventually bringing more options for connectivity. Could Siri be smarter this time? This is the question and the story for some other time and probably some other video. Just recently, Markiranja from Bloomberg, in his Power newsletter, has confirmed that standard-size version of the HomePod is a work in progress. He even shared some crucial details what we can expect with its potential arrival. The first of all would be Apple's S8 processor, which is expected to power the upcoming version of the watch, Series 8, codenamed B620. The HomePod should be similar in size and audio performance of its predecessor, which is amazing. CD waveform display is also expecting an update, likely increased screen area and possibly even multi-touch feature, which can spark some curiosity. For what? I mean, what would you do with the current HomePod Mini, for example, if you had the multi-touch gesture support? You can imagine some basic things at the moment, but not a lot. The question is, what would be true capabilities of the upcoming smart speaker? Could we actually get a bigger display that we are hoping to see? Something that could show us more useful and vivid information, while at the same time we'll be able to interact even more than with the first two releases? Could this actually be the device that Gurman mentioned about months ago? I'm curious and anxious. What about you? What do you think will Apple bring with this next iteration of the HomePod? And will you buy it? Please answer in the comment section below. I paid a lot for mine and I have no intention to change it yet, but that's just me. This was a quick update about the new HomePod. In the meanwhile, we got some new information about the AirPods Pro 2, so make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching this Digitalna channel. My name is Marco, talk to you soon, have an excellent day. Cheers!